mga quiz, mga days, welcome back sa akin channel. This is Chris Alan at ngayon araw papanoorin natin yung performance ng isang Filipino group sa America's Got Talent 2024 sa quarterfinals nito at ang pangalan nila ay L6. Sure kung sila yung kasali sa Pinoy Pilipinas Got Talent na GMA version. So I don't know, kung i-correct niyo ako kung tama ako sa sinabi ko. So, yun. So, papanoorin natin performance niya during the quarterfinals. So, wag kayo expect na bago to. This is already done. Ngayon ko lang papanoorin kasi nga, ngayon na ako nakaroon ng chance na panoorin to. Kasi mayroon nag-request sa akin. I forgot the name of the person who requested for this performance ng Filipino clubs na L6. So, ngayon ko papanoorin yun. At bibigyan ko ng reaction. So, hindi ko na ito patatagal iba, papanoorin natin ang video at dito ibibigay ko ang reaction at opinion ko. So, let's go! L6.
I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me. So don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars, sing you a play to mine? Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we got to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world can be ours tonight. All I want is to fly with you. All I want is to fly with you. So just be
Okay, dahil ko napanood natin yung performance ng L6 sa isang Filipino group na sumali sa America's Got Talent 2024. So, hindi natin napanood yung audition, pero try natin panoorin yan. So, based sa napanood ko, they are really good, but they are not the best. Especially dun sa umpisa, may napansin na ako na parang hindi siya ganun ka please sa tenga. Then, as the group, yeah, ang ganda pakinggan, silang sarap pakinggan. Yun lang, sa later part, yung medyo may kanya-kanya silang pagkanta. May iba, medyo mataas masyado yung tono. But still, nag-compliment naman. Pero still, I wish mas maayos konti. But nonetheless, they perform well and di naman sila makakaabot sa quarterfinals if they are not really good, diba? Yan lang. For me, this song, siguro, it wasn't the best. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero yun lang. Masasabi ko, it wasn't the best, but it's good. Diba? And I don't know kung nakaabot sila ng semifinal. But, here, I can say, they deserve possible na mapapasok ng semifinal, but the performance, like I've said, the performance was really good and I like it. Nagkaroon lang ako ng konting issue to sa umpisa and to sa yung pagkanya-kanya nilang kanta na sabi ko nga na mayroon masyadong mataas ang tono, diba? parang trying to impress, maybe. Kaya, yun. Na hindi siya nag-swap. Medyo hindi naman totally na hindi siya nag-swap. Medyo parang pansin lang yung masyadong mataas yung tono. Diba? So, yan. So, there you go. Kayong ba mga quiz, mga aunties, na gusto nyo pa yung performance ng Filipino group na L6? Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba. At kung nagustuhan nyo na may binigay kong comments regarding this, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and I will read all your comments and I will try to interact with you guys. So, maraming salamat guys and kita-kits tayo sa susunod kong mga videos and have a nice day. Bye-bye.